Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect XM to MetaTrader5 in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to launch your XM application, or you can also launch XM in your web browser. Afterwards, you need to log in into your XM account if you haven't already. Once you have logged in, you are going to see your real account or your demo account over here. If it is a real account, you are going to see real here on the top left hand corner of the screen. If it is a demo account, you will also see written demo over here. So once you have decided which account you want to log in your MT5 account, whether it is a real account or a demo account, simply tap on this profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. There, when you tap on the option of settings, you are going to find the MT5 login credentials. That includes your MT5 server, the MT5 login ID and the password. So after getting that, you need to first of all copy the server from there. Then you need to launch your MT5 application. Over here, tap on the option of add trading account. Now here in the search bar, you need to simply search for the exact broker or the server name which you have received in your XM mobile application. After searching for it, you just have to simply tap on it. Then you need to go back to your XM app and copy the login ID from there. After that, you need to paste that login ID here. Then you need to go back again and copy the password. Then you need to provide that password over here. Once you are done, simply tap on the option of login, and this way you will be able to connect your XM account to MT5 in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.